The shelf itself is about 4 to 5 pounds. It's pretty solid. As you can see on the back side, it's made from particle board, and you can see there's a groove here where you can insert it onto the bracket. On the bottom there are 3 holes. This is where you will insert the screws to attach to the wall bracket. For those of you who have wood studs, you don't need to use the driller toggle anchors. The mounting bracket itself has many holes here, and the bracket is about 35 inches wide. Therefore, you should be able to find 2 studs, which are typically 16 inches on center. Because my wall only has metal studs, I'll have to use these driller toggle anchors. This is how a driller toggle works. Just imagine that the driller toggle is already into the wall, and now I'm going to screw the bracket into it, and this is how what it would look like when it's in the wall. So as I slowly screw, you can see the anchor slowly lifting as you tighten the screw. Now once the anchor is perpendicular, it's fully engaged, and now all you have to do is keep on tightening the screw, and the anchor will slowly pull back towards the back of the wall, of the drywall. So you just imagine that you're screwing in the bracket against the wall, and the screw is getting tighter and tighter as the anchor is biting into the wall. And finally, when it's tight, the anchor should be pointed upwards, which provides shear strength against anything hanging. After tightening the 3 screws, it's finally done. Let me just test for it. It's pretty firm, but as you can see, you can shake it a little. Ikea's website says that it can hold between 11 to 33 pounds, but please remember that the bracket inside only extends 1 inch from the wall, yet the shelf is 10 inches wide. Therefore, I wouldn't put too much weight on it.